Did you know that Paris is known as the City of Lights? Not just because of its dazzling nighttime display, but also because it was a birthplace of the Age of Enlightenment. Paris, a city that effortlessly marries history with modernity and culture with art, is all set to play host to the Summer Olympics of 2024. As the world converges here, the city is teeming with an infectious energy, ready to charm its visitors. Join us as we count down the top 10 places to visit in Paris during the Summer Olympics. Before checking the best spots in Paris to enjoy during the Olympics, take a minute to subscribe to our channel so you never miss our latest travel videos. And check the links in the description for some great travel offers. Starting at number 10, we have the Jardin du Luxembourg, an oasis in the heart of Paris. This verdant retreat, established in the early 17th century, is steeped in history, with its roots running deep into the regal era of Queen Marie de' Medici. Nestled between the Latin Quarter and Saint-Germain-des-Prés, the garden is easily accessible, making it a delightful detour from the city's hustle. It's not just a feast for your eyes, but a hub of activities too. Imagine watching a traditional puppet show or delighting in a pony ride amidst this historical setting. The garden also boasts of 100 statues, monuments, and fountains scattered throughout the park, each with its own story. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or simply looking for a serene spot to unwind, the Jardin du Luxembourg caters to all. The Jardin du Luxembourg offers a tranquil retreat from the bustling city. At number 9, we take you to Montmartre, a bohemian haven that has inspired countless artists. Montmartre is more than a district. It's a state of mind, a melting pot of creativity. This area has been a muse to many artistic greats, from Pablo Picasso to Vincent van Gogh. At its heart is the iconic Sacré-Cœur Basilica, standing proud with its stunning view of the city. It's like a watchtower guarding the artistic spirit of Paris. Just a stone's throw away, you'll find the vibrant Place du Théâtre. Here, artists sketch and paint en plein air, their palettes bursting with color, ready to capture the essence of your visit. This district is a world unto itself, where the Paris of yesteryears still thrives in every corner. So why not take a leisurely stroll down its winding streets? Feel the pulse of its artistic beat. Immerse yourself in the artistic soul of Paris at Montmartre. Number 8 on our list is the Champs-Élysées, arguably the most famous avenue in the world. It's a shopper's paradise, lined with a variety of high-end boutiques and stores. As you saunter down this historic avenue, the majestic Arc de Triomphe looms in the distance, a symbol of French resilience and pride. The Champs-Élysées has always been a crucial part of France's history, from royal processions to military parades. A stroll down the Champs-Élysées is a must for any visitor to Paris. Coming in at number 7, a Seine River cruise is an unforgettable way to see the city. As you glide along the water, the city's iconic landmarks, like the Louvre and Notre Dame, unfold before your eyes. The dazzling lights of Paris reflected on the calm waters create a magical ambiance, especially on a starlit summer night. This cruise is not just a sightseeing tour, it's a romantic journey through the heart of Paris. Experience the beauty of Paris from a new perspective on a Seine River cruise. At number 6, we have the Notre Dame Cathedral, a masterpiece of French Gothic architecture. This iconic structure, steeped in history, has stood tall in the heart of Paris for over 8 centuries. It has witnessed the ebb and flow of time, from the coronation of Napoleon Bonaparte in 1804 to the liberation of Paris in 1944. Today, it's undergoing a major renovation following a devastating fire in 2019, a testament to the city's resilience and determination to preserve its cultural heritage. Soon you'll be able to contemplate this marvel again from the inside. It's set to reopen to the public on December 2024. In spite of the scaffolding and the bustle of construction, the cathedral continues to captivate with its intricate stone carvings, stunning rose windows, and the legendary gargoyles perched high above the city. And let's not forget about the view. Even during renovations, the view from the top of Notre Dame offers a breathtaking panorama of Paris, truly a sight to behold. Despite the renovation, Notre Dame remains a symbol of Paris's enduring spirit. Halfway through our list at number 5, we have the Arc de Triomphe, an iconic symbol of French national identity. Commissioned by Napoleon after his victory at Austerlitz in 1805, the Arc stands tall at the western end of Champs-Élysées in the Place Charles de Gaulle. A climb to the top rewards visitors with a panoramic view of Paris, a sight that is especially breathtaking at sunset. The Arc de Triomphe is a testament to the grandeur of Paris. At number 4, we venture outside the city to the stunning Palace of Versailles. A symphony of architectural splendor and landscaped beauty, Versailles is a testament to the lavish tastes of French royalty. Its grand halls and opulent rooms echo tales from history, while the sprawling gardens invite you to lose yourself in nature's embrace. A visit here is not just a sightseeing trip, but a voyage back in time to the golden age of French monarchy. The Palace of Versailles is a shining example of royal opulence. Our third pick is none other than the Musée du Louvre, home to thousands of works of art, including the Mona Lisa. This illustrious museum, once a royal palace, has a history as rich and diverse as the art it houses. Its vast collection spans from antiquity to the 21st century, making it a treasure trove for art enthusiasts. And who can forget the iconic glass pyramid, a modern contrast to the historical grandeur of the Louvre itself. The Louvre is a must-visit for any art lover. Just missing out on the top spot at number 2, we have Disneyland Paris, a magical experience for all ages. A quick train ride from the city center transports you to a world of enchantment where beloved characters come to life. From thrilling rides to spectacular shows, Disneyland Paris offers a unique blend of classic Disney magic and the distinct elegance of the French capital. Whether you're a kid or just a kid at heart, Disneyland Paris guarantees a day filled with magic and fun. And finally, at number 1, we have the Eiffel Tower, the enduring symbol of Paris. Standing tall against the city's skyline, this iconic structure's history is as fascinating as its architecture. Built for the 1889 Exposition Universelle to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the French Revolution, the Eiffel Tower was initially met with criticism. Yet, it has withstood the test of time, and today, it's the most visited paid monument worldwide. Imagine ascending to the top of this iron marvel, witnessing a breathtaking panorama of Paris unfold beneath you. From the river Seine meandering through the city to the distant Montmartre, the view is nothing short of spectacular. The Eiffel Tower isn't just a sight to behold, it's an experience. Whether you're dining at its gourmet restaurant or simply marveling at its twinkling lights at night, its allure is irresistible. The Eiffel Tower is the crown jewel of Paris, a city that awaits your discovery. And that's our top 10 list of places to visit in Paris during the Summer Olympics. From the enchanting Jardin du Luxembourg to the iconic Eiffel Tower, Paris promises a journey of discovery and delight. As the city gears up for the upcoming Olympics, these attractions are all set to welcome you with open arms. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment about your favorite destinations in Paris. We can't wait to hear about your adventures. And don't forget to check the links in the description. If you're planning to make it to the Summer Olympics, you'll find some great offers on flights, accommodation, and international data plans. Until next time.